to jest cijelu noć. Signala imam još malo.
Bosnia and Herzegovina, Friday, April 10, 2024.
Hey! Evo mene ponovo. Uglavnom ovako vam to sada izgleda s druge strane. Nema ceste nikako.
At least 16 people were reported dead, and many others were reported missing, due to floods and landslides in Bosnia-Herzegovina on Friday, April 10, 2024. Precisely in the municipality of Jablanica, about 70 kilometers southwest of the capital Sarajevo. Houses were destroyed, roads and bridges were completely cut off, after roads and railways were destroyed. A resident of the village of Donja Jablanica, Emir Arfadzan, 62, said, "It was terrible, really terrible. People had no time, they only had a few seconds to save themselves. This is a terrible scene, about 10 houses were destroyed, and there were fatalities," he continued.
Selo Luke, općina Fonjca. Evo što nas je dočekalo jutros.
Large stones and thousands of tons of debris fell on our village. The landslide rose to the roofs of houses, and a mosque with only its minaret sticking out. Several residents were reported missing, while several injured were evacuated by helicopter, he concluded. Meanwhile, Interior Ministry spokesman Kanton Ludevic Maric said, flash floods destroyed entire houses, including concrete slabs and foundations, and swept them away. "I have never seen anything like this. This is the worst flooding in Bosnia since at least 2014, when more than 20 people were killed in floods. The search for missing people is still ongoing, with 16 people confirmed dead as of Friday afternoon. Between 20 and 40 people are listed as missing, either trapped under rubble or swept away by floodwater." It requested military assistance for the wider Jablanica area, and engineers, rescue units and helicopters were deployed, including some to rescue 17 people from a psychiatric hospital. Engineering and rescue units, as well as helicopters from the armed forces of Bosnia and Herzegovina, were deployed to provide urgent assistance to civil authorities, in response to the natural disaster.
Na vrata, pogledajte koliki je nivo bio. Sad je malo palo, ali dalje je užasno. Ovo je Clio koji je preživio sve. Evo kamenje ovamo što vidite. Tu je nekad bilo korito rijeke. Dok ima signala da javimo stanje. Stanje užasno.